For homeowners in Middleburg, Florida, living in the Sunshine State means enjoying year-round warmth and natural beauty. However, it also means preparing for Florida's unpredictable weather, including hurricanes, tropical storms, and sudden summer downpours. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your property is by investing in impact-resistant windows. These windows are designed to do more than withstand harsh weather. They also improve security, efficiency, and peace of mind for your household. What makes impact-resistant windows different? Unlike traditional glass windows, impact-resistant windows are engineered for strength and safety. Laminated glass. Layers of glass bonded with a durable interlayer ensure that even if the glass cracks, it remains intact rather than shattering. Reinforced frames. Materials like vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass are built to resist warping, pressure, and damage. Tested durability. These windows are rigorously tested to meet Florida's building code requirements for wind and impact resistance. This unique construction makes them a smart investment for Middleburg homes vulnerable to severe weather. Storm protection during harsh weather. The most obvious role of impact-resistant windows is to protect your home during storms. Withstand flying debris. During high winds, branches or loose objects can become dangerous projectiles. Impact-resistant glass resists penetration, keeping your home's interior safe. Prevent pressure buildup. Broken windows during storms can allow pressure to rise inside your home, potentially leading to roof or structural damage. Impact-resistant windows keep the barrier intact. Water intrusion defense. Strong seals and advanced designs reduce the risk of leaks that can lead to costly repairs. For Middleburg homeowners, these benefits mean better preparedness during hurricane season. Everyday security benefits. Impact-resistant windows aren't just for storms, they also enhance your home's security. Break-in deterrent. The laminated glass is much harder to break through, making it difficult for intruders to gain access. Peace of mind. Even when you're away from home, you know your property has an added layer of defense. Longevity. The same qualities that protect against storm debris also protect against attempted forced entry. This dual-purpose feature makes them a practical upgrade for long-term safety. Energy efficiency and comfort. While safety is key, impact-resistant windows also improve your home's efficiency. Insulated design. Multi-pane construction and advanced sealing reduce heat transfer. Lower cooling costs. By blocking UV rays and minimizing solar heat gain, they help keep your Middleburg home cooler in the summer. Year-round comfort. These windows also prevent drafts during the occasional chilly winter nights. In Florida's climate, the energy savings alone can make a big difference over time. Noise reduction. For a quieter home, Middleburg may be peaceful, but homes near busy roads or active neighborhoods can still benefit from soundproofing. Thicker glass and laminated layers. These features naturally reduce outside noise. Quieter interiors. Create a calmer environment, whether you're working from home, relaxing, or sleeping. This benefit adds daily comfort that homeowners appreciate beyond storm protection. Professional installation matters. For impact-resistant windows to perform as intended, professional installation is crucial. Precise measurements. Ensure a perfect fit with no gaps. Expert sealing. Proper caulking and insulation maximize performance against wind and water. Code compliance. Local professionals understand Florida's strict building codes and make sure your windows meet them. Working with trusted installers guarantees that your investment delivers full protection. Final thoughts. For Middleburg homeowners, impact-resistant windows are more than just a weatherproofing upgrade. They're a comprehensive solution for safety, efficiency, and comfort. They protect your home during storms, deter intruders, reduce energy bills, and even create a quieter living environment. If your current windows are outdated or vulnerable, now is the perfect time to consider impact-resistant replacements. With professional installation, You can enjoy peace of mind knowing your Middleburg residence is better protected against both Florida's storms and everyday challenges.